In front of me is Oppo A52, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, which is *800#. And here we've got the feedback menu, where you can report some issues, and let me just click on user mode, where you can detect some issues and problems that you have with your device. So for example, if you do experience some issues with GPS, just mark it and then capture log, then smoothly click on record screen to record it, tap on start, and then you will be able to send it. So this is it, this is the feedback menu, so the name is actually totally current. And then let me enter another code, which is *07#. And as you can see, here we've got maximum SAR level, so smoothly enter this code and you will be provided with details for both head and body. Tap on OK. And another truly useful code that you can use here is *#225 ##. And here we've got the calendar info, where you can locate events, celebrations, important dates, and all events that you have signed in your calendar. From now on, you will not forget about any important dates and events or anniversaries. Just enter this code and then you will be provided with all upcoming dates. And another code that you can use is *#426 ##. And here we've got the diagnostic mode. It is performed by Google, and here you can check events and also status. And if you'd like to open advanced view, advanced mode, just tap on more and click on advanced view. And as you can see here, you've got way more details. And let me go back. And another code that you can use is *06#. And here you've got email number and also serial number. Smoothly enter this code and then you will be provided with those unique numbers. Tap on OK, and the last code that I would like to share with you is *#6776#. And here we've got the software version, so smoothly enter this code and then you will be provided with phone software information. So here you can check model, Android version, baseband version, kernel version, master date, and so on. Just scroll it down, check, and enjoy. So this is it, that would be all. These are all secret codes that I wanted to share with you today. Enjoy, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.